Hello everyone. Living in a small apartment can be challenging when it comes to storage and space optimization. But believe me, it's possible to create a tidy and joyful home no matter the size of your living space. The key is to be mindful about what you own and how you use your space. Today I'm going to share 10 essential hacks to make the most of your small apartment space. When you live in a smaller home, it's easy to feel limited by the floor space, but remember, we can always go up. Think vertically and utilize those often neglected upper areas. Tall bookshelves are your best friends. Choose ones that extend all the way to the ceiling to maximize storage potential. You can use them not just for books, but also for displaying decorative items, plants and baskets filled with belongings. Another, often overlooked area is above doorways. Install floating shelves to store books, photo frames, or even kitchen essentials. If you have high ceilings, consider adding a loft bed. This frees up valuable floor space for a desk, a cozy reading nook, or even a small living area. Remember those awkward corners that always seem to gather clutter? Transform them into vertical storage havens with corner shelves. These are perfect for displaying small plants, books, or decorative items. By embracing vertical storage solutions, you'll be amazed at how much more open and airy your small apartment will feel. In a small apartment, every piece of furniture should serve more than one function. Multifunctional furniture is your secret weapon. Consider a sofa bed or a bed with built-in storage drawers. This maximizes storage and provides a cozy seating area. A coffee table with hidden compartments stores magazines and remote controls. Ottomans with removable tops reveal hidden storage for throws and pillows. Choose an extendable dining table for guests and stackable chairs to save space. Dual-purpose furniture helps furnish your apartment efficiently and stylishly. Did you know that color can dramatically impact the perceived size of a room? Light colors reflect more light, making a space feel more open and airy. Opt for soft, neutral tones like white, cream, light gray, or pastel shades. These colors create a sense of spaciousness and provide a calming backdrop. Use bold colors through accent walls, textiles, or artwork. Incorporate mirrors to reflect natural light and amplify spaciousness. A large mirror opposite a window can brighten a dark corner and create the illusion of a larger room. Clutter is the enemy of a tidy and spacious home, especially in a small apartment where every inch counts. It's time to embrace the joy of letting go and declutter your belongings using the KonMari Method. Start by gathering all the items in a particular category, such as clothing, books, or sentimental items. Hold each item in your hands and ask yourself the key KonMari question: does this spark joy? If the answer is a resounding yes, keep it. If not, thank the item for its service and let it go with gratitude. You can donate, sell, or responsibly discard items that no longer spark joy in your life. Remember, tidying is not just about discarding things, it's about consciously choosing what brings you joy and creating a space that reflects your values and aspirations. As you declutter, you'll be amazed at how much lighter and more spacious your apartment feels. Mirrors are like magic tricks for small spaces. They can instantly make a room feel larger and brighter by reflecting light and creating the illusion of depth. One effective strategy is to place a large mirror opposite a window. This will reflect the natural light streaming in, brightening up the room and making it feel more spacious. You can also use mirrors to create a focal point in a room. Consider hanging a large decorative mirror above a fireplace mantel or a console table to draw the eye and create a sense of grandeur. In narrow hallways or entryways, placing mirrors on one or both sides of the walls can visually expand the space and make it feel less cramped. For a touch of glamour, create a mirror gallery wall. Arrange mirrors of different shapes and sizes to add visual interest and reflect light from multiple angles, making the space feel larger and more dynamic. Lighting plays a crucial role in how spacious a room feels. In a smaller apartment, it's essential to maximize natural light and choose artificial lighting that brightens up the space effectively. Keep your windows free from heavy curtains or blinds that block natural light. Opt for sheer curtains or blinds that allow sunlight to filter through while still providing privacy. If you have limited natural light, consider incorporating a variety of light sources to create a warm and inviting ambience. Combine ambient lighting, such as ceiling fixtures or chandeliers, with task lighting, like table lamps or desk lamps, to illuminate specific areas for reading or working. Strategically placed floor lamps can also brighten up dark corners and add a cozy glow to the room. Avoid using a single harsh overhead light, as this can create shadows and make the space feel smaller. Instead, opt for multiple light sources with warm, inviting bulbs to create a layered and welcoming atmosphere. In a small apartment, every nook and cranny presents an opportunity for storage. Let's unlock the secrets of hidden storage solutions that will keep your belongings organized and maximize your space. Utilize the space under your bed by investing in bed risers or storage containers that fit neatly underneath. This is a great place to store off-season clothing, extra bedding, or anything else you don't need to access regularly. Don't let the space behind your doors go to waste. Over-the-door organizers are perfect for storing shoes, accessories, cleaning supplies, or even pantry items. Look for organizers with clear pockets so you can easily see what's inside. If you have a sofa or chairs with skirts, consider adding hidden storage pouches underneath. These are great for storing remote controls, magazines, or other small items that tend to clutter up living spaces. Remember those awkward spaces above kitchen cabinets? Utilize them by storing infrequently used items in stylish baskets or containers. Just make sure they're lightweight and easy to access. Who says storage can't be stylish? In a small apartment, it's all about choosing decor that not only enhances the aesthetics, but also serves a practical purpose. Instead of ordinary storage boxes, opt for decorative baskets, vintage suitcases, or stylish storage ottomans. These pieces add a touch of personality to your space while keeping your belongings organized. Floating shelves are not only great for maximizing vertical space, but also serve as stylish displays for your favorite books, plants, or decorative objects. Arrange items thoughtfully, leaving some negative space to create a sense of balance and visual appeal. Wall-mounted organizers with hooks are perfect for storing keys, jewelry, or hats near the entryway. Choose organizers with unique designs or materials that complement your decor. Remember, even the smallest details can make a big difference in a small space. By incorporating decorative storage solutions, you can keep your belongings organized while adding a touch of personal style to your apartment. When space is at a premium, flexibility is essential. Foldable furniture is a lifesaver in small apartments, allowing you to transform your space based on your needs. Consider investing in a foldable dining table that can be tucked away when not in use, freeing up valuable floor space for other activities. Look for chairs that can be folded and stored easily, or opt for stackable stools that take up minimal space. A folding desk is a fantastic option for small apartments or studios. It provides a dedicated workspace when needed and can be easily folded down and stored away when not in use. If you enjoy hosting guests but lack a dedicated guest room, a foldable bed is a game changer. Choose a comfortable and stylish option that can be easily set up when needed and stored discreetly when not in use. By embracing foldable furniture, you can adapt your space to accommodate various activities and lifestyle needs without feeling cramped. Unleash your creativity and put your DIY skills to the test with these space-saving projects that are perfect for small apartment living. Transform old crates or wooden pallets into stylish and functional storage units. Sand them down, paint or stain them to your liking, and stack them to create custom shelving units for books, plants, or decorative items. Install hooks on the back of doors to hang coats, scarves, or bags. This maximizes vertical space and keeps frequently used items within easy reach. Use tension rods to create extra storage space in cabinets or under sinks. Hang cleaning supplies, spray bottles, or even pots and pans to free up shelf space. Get creative with pegboards. Install a pegboard in your kitchen to store utensils, pots and pans, or use one in your workspace to organize tools, craft supplies, or jewelry-making materials. And there you have it, 10 practical and joy-sparking hacks to make the most of your small apartment space. From embracing vertical storage and multifunctional furniture to decluttering with intention and using mirrors strategically, these tips will help you create a home that feels both spacious and serene. Remember, it's not about the square footage, but how you utilize and appreciate the space you have. I encourage you to try these ideas in your own homes and discover the joy of living intentionally in a tidy and organized space. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.